Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you some very fun comfy bricks that I got sent out for review, and I can't wait to show them to you so you can see them and maybe you can give these to your kids for Christmas. My children are very excited as well. They are loving it. Let's not wait any longer. I'm gonna show you how they are and what you can do with them, okay? As soon as we opened them, we started to play and try to build a house or a castle and see how it worked and how we can put the pieces together. Okay, so these are the Comfybricks that I got, and these are in color green. And let me tell you a little bit about them. These are very well cushioned. These are like you can say that this is like a pillow. This is soft so your kids can play with it, and it has this waterproof material, so if it gets dirty you can clean it very easily. It also has this zipper right here, so you can remove this part and you can wash the covers and use them as if they were new again. They have these magnets right here that I'm gonna show you in a bit how you can use these magnets, but you can actually stock them and use them as a Lego bricks or play like some other bricks like your kids usually do, and they come in a package of 15 pieces. So let me show you the pieces I got. I got 2 triangles and 2 triangles with semicircles right there, and 4 rectangles, 2 squares, and here is like a rectangle with a semicircle as well, a circle, and another rectangle with a semicircle. So 15 pieces, and let's start playing with them and let's start building something with them. Because they have magnets, they can stay here together forever. Okay. As you can see, the kids were having a blast playing with these bricks, Comfybricks, that they were not hurt at all when they were falling apart, and we decided to continue building some other things.
Here. You go on the other side. I'll go on this side. You go on the other side. Close. I'll close the door. Okay. I'll close the door. Sorry. No, stay still.
You can build a lot of things with it. This is like a rocket ship. You wanna get inside for a picture? You can play like you are in a rocket ship. More. Most of the parts, they have these magnets right here that you can see, these ones, okay, and which you can put the pieces together and try to build something with those. The material is really easy to clean and it is really soft, so the kids can play without hurting, and they can punch the bricks. And also they can rest. Okay, can you help me tell me the shapes, please? Which shape is this?
Rectangle. Square.
What other shape can you find? Which one is this?
Triangle.
Good. Which one is that?
Circle.
Circle. Which one is that? Is this one?
Semicircle.
Semicircle. Good job. Okay, this is the color we got, but you can choose from 2 colors or to mix and match. You can create a lot of things with these Comfybricks and let your imagination run. And of course, if you want more information about the Comfybricks or how you can get them, you can go to the description box down below so you can get all the info about them. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye!